How to use sticky notes and quick capture an idea arrives while you're doing something else. If capturing it takes more than a few seconds, you'll lose it. Windows has tools built for exactly this moment. Sticky Notes is the simpler one. Press the Windows key, type sticky, and open it. Notes appear on your desktop in colors you choose, and they save automatically as you type. The important detail people miss: they sync to your Microsoft account, so the same notes appear on your phone and on the web. Keep OneNote as an inbox and empty it daily. The second tool is OneNote, where the Windows key plus N opens a fresh page instantly with no file naming and no saving. For text you paste constantly, use pinned clipboard history items instead. And for a screenshot of something you'll need later, Windows key plus Shift plus S captures straight to the clipboard.